Yes, we will study a sample essay in this video. The topic of the essay is the Olympic Games. The first Olympic Games took place in 1896 in Athens, in Greece. The aim of the Olympics was to bring together athletes from various countries in order to promote world peace. This aim remains the same even today. The Olympic Games include a variety of individuals and team sports. So this is an introductory paragraph where it is written where did Olympic Games begin and when did it begin and what is the aim of Olympic Games in past and present scenario and who all participate in the Olympic Games. So, we will move on to the next paragraph. In 1920, the first Olympic flag was presented. The flag contains five interconnected rings upon a white background. Each of the rings stand for one of the five major continents. They are interconnected to symbolize that the world can work towards world peace through these international competitions. The rings are blue, yellow, black, green, and red. These colors were chosen because at least one of them appears on the flag of every country in the world. So, these colors, what is the in the next paragraph? What is the flag of Olympics? It is described, and the colors which make up the Olympic flag, they are described, and what is the significance of those colors, this is described. So this is the first paragraph of the body of the essay. Okay, the Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years and at different locations each time. Two locations are chosen each time, one to host the Winter Olympics and the other for the Summer Olympics. Okay, so the next paragraph tells us about the uh, location of Olympic Games and the time period in which it is held. Now, it is a very special honor to participate in the Olympic Games. Participants spend years training for this special event. Qualifying for a spot on the Olympic team varies for each sport. However, dedication, skill, motivation, hard work, and a desire to win are a part of the right formula for anyone dreaming of participating in the Olympic Games. So, this paragraph tells us what is the requirement to participate in the games. Okay, what is the zeal required to participate in Olympic Games? Now we will move on to the next paragraph. For each event, the first three prizes are the gold, silver, and bronze medals. In 1896, first prizes were silver medals because gold was considered of lower value than silver. So earlier, silver was considered as the first prize, but now gold is considered as the first prize. At the Olympic Games at St. Louis in 1904, gold replaced silver as the first place medal. The gold medals presented today are actually made from sterling silver. They are then covered with a thin coat of pure gold. The Olympic Games give athletes the opportunity to show off their strength and skills. They are very popular because they bring together people from all nations of the world, not only to compete in true sportsman spirit, but also to remind us of the quest for peace among all nations. So, in the second last paragraph, the prizes of this games are described in detail and what is their significance. Okay, and in the last paragraph or the conclusion part, the significance of Olympic Games is described, and that is that it promotes a feeling of peace among all nations and a feeling of sportsman spirit among all nations. So this is a sample essay. Now we will move on to the other sample essay. Okay, a visit to an exhibition. So you all must have gone to exhibition. So this paragraph is written on that. Okay, last year there was an exhibition in town and my friends and I decided to visit it. When we entered the grounds, we were excited by the entire atmosphere. Everywhere there were signboards decorated with bright lights advertising all kinds of goods from cloth to household items, various kinds of gadgets, toys, and games. And the crowds everywhere, there were people moving from one stall to another, bargaining for the best price for things they wanted. So, in the first two lines, it is described that the person who is writing this essay, he went on to an exhibition in town. In the second paragraph, the atmosphere of exhibition is written, that what all kinds of shops were there and people were doing what over there. Okay, so the entire scenario of exhibition is described in the second paragraph. So the second paragraph comprises of the body of an essay. Okay, the introductory paragraph is only of two lines because not much is there to write about the introduction to an exhibition, although you can write an elaborate introductory paragraph also. Now, the third paragraph, our eyes were drawn to the food stall where we could see all kinds of mouth watering dishes on display. Not interested in the goods for sale, we made our way to the food stalls. Spicy chaat, fruit salads, pizzas, and pastas, all kinds of roasted stuff. We didn't know where to start and what to eat. So, in the third paragraph, it is written, the third paragraph is about food stalls. Okay, so food stalls are very famous in an exhibition where people have different kinds of tasty dishes. So, about it, it is written in the third paragraph. Now, we will move on to the next paragraph. We were yet to savor the best, the various rides that were, for us youngsters, the main attraction. The giant wheel and merry-go-round, roller coasters, cars, the tunnel of horrors. We rode on every one of them, laughing and shouting with sheer enjoyment. So, in the fourth paragraph, it is written about swings, okay, the various kinds of rides that are there in an exhibition. This paragraph tells us about that. Okay, there are various kinds of rides, and whenever you go to an exhibition, you definitely go on one or the other ride. So, this paragraph is all about that. Now, the concluding part. By then, it was quite late, and we headed home happy and satisfied after an extremely delightful evening. This is a short conclusion and a very appropriate one. So, I hope you must have understood how to write an essay with the help of these two examples. And now there are some topics, and you have to write on any one of the topic. Okay, I will show you that. The first is animals in captivity. Animals in captivity means animals who are kept in cage. Okay, you have to write on that. The pleasures of cycling. So if you love cycling, you can write an essay on that. Smartphones. Everybody know about smartphones right now and the significance. Then the fourth topic is fashion. Fifth one is the book I like the best. If you have read a book or a novel, you can write on that. My favorite character. So it can be a cartoon character, it can be a novel character. So you have to write on any one of your favorite character. Now the seventh topic is the influence of TV on children. So you can write on what is the impact of television on children. And the eighth topic is my favorite sport. So if you like any sports, You can write on that. Okay, thank you, children.